last video we have learned the addition of weights. Now in this video the topic is the subtraction of weights. As you are doing the simple subtraction sums in the grade 3 also and in the previous chapters also, same like that way, in that format only we have to do this subtraction sum. But the difference is that you have to mention this particular unit backside, which I have already told you in the previous video, that we have to mention the gram or kilogram, means whichever unit is given in the sum, that particular unit we have to mention. So already I have written the question that 19 kg from 31 kg, means 19 kilogram from 31 kilogram. So in the subtraction sums, what you are thinking, that from the big digit, from the big number, you are subtracting the small number. So here same method you have to do, but the question is given different. See, 19 kilogram from 31 kilogram. So already 31 kilogram is big, then this 19 kilogram. So from the second number, means from the second digit, this we have to subtract this 19 kg. From this, means from this second number we are subtracting this first number. So as we are mentioning, as we are writing in that format only, we have to do 31 kilogram minus 19 kilogram. See, but this subtraction sum are not simple, because from the 1 we can't subtract this 9. So what we are doing, what is the rule of subtraction? We are taking borrow number. We are taking borrow number from this previous digit. Means if 1 is there, so we are writing, what you are doing, we are writing directly 11. But the rule is that borrow number we are taking 10. But the 1 is given, that's why directly we are writing, we are cutting this 1 and directly we are writing 11. Now as we are writing this borrow number, so at that moment we have to cut this previous digit and we have to write the one number less than that. Means 3 is given, so we are writing 2. Now we can do this subtraction, means now we can find the answer. 11 minus 9, so 2 is remaining, and 2 minus 1, so 1 is remaining. So 12 is answer, 12 kg. So answer you can write downside the sum, that is 12 kg. Now second number sum, 353 gram from 608 gram. Means from this second number we are subtracting this first number, and also you can speak like this, that 608 gram is big than this 353 gram. So first this number we have to write, 608 gram minus 353 gram. Now check the digits. From this 8 we can subtract this 3. So 8 minus 3, 5 will remain. Now 0 is given. See, from this 0 we can't subtract this 5. So we have to take the borrowed number, which is 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5 will remain, and as we are taking the borrowed number, so we have to cut this previous digit, which is 6, and we have to put the one number less, which is 5. So 5 minus 3, 2 is remaining. So 255 is our answer. Means 255 gram. Answer you can write downside, that is 255 gram. Now we are moving further on the next number, 18 kilogram and 250 gram from 32 kilogram and 500 gram. Previous numbers, number 1 and number 2, simple number were there in subtraction. In this, in kilogram and in gram, in both the unit it is given. So firstly we have to bifurcate this kilogram and this gram first. Kilogram and gram, as we are doing. Now 18 kilogram, 250 gram from this 32 kilogram and 500 gram. Means from this second number we have to subtract this first number. And also you can decide like this with a 32 kg, 500 is already big than this 18 kg and 250 gram. So you can write this number first. In the examination you are making the mistake many times to writing these numbers. Means in hurry burry you are writing this 18 kg and 250 gram. Means this number you are writing first. But first you have to check the question and you have to decide that which number is big. So 32 kg and 500 gram is big. Now put subtraction sign. From that 18 kg and 250 gram. Now we can do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 is given first, 5 is given down. Means we can't subtract this 5 from 0. So we have to cut this 0 and put this 10 as a borrow number. Again we have taken this borrow digit from the previous digit. So previous digit we have to cut and one number less than this 5, which is 4. Now 10 minus 5, 5, and 4 minus 2 will remain. Now again from 2, means from this 2 we can't subtract this 8. So we have to take the borrow digit. Means directly I am writing 12. 10 plus 2, 12. And whenever you are writing the 12, at that moment just cut this 2 and cut this 3 and put one number less, which is 2. Now 12 minus 8, 4, and 2 minus 1 will be remaining. This is our answer. So answer we can write downside like this way, that 14 is in kilogram and 250 is in gram. This is our answer. Now number 4. Same subtraction in same manner we have to do. 157 kilogram, 200 gram from 243 kilogram and 750 gram. So first we will bifurcate this in this kilogram and gram. But this 243 kilogram and 750 gram is big than this. So first we will write this second number. 243 kilogram and 750 gram minus 157 kilogram and 200 gram. 0 minus 0, 0 will be remain. 5 minus 0, 5 will come. 7 minus 2, 5 will come. Now 3 minus 7 is not possible because 3 is small digit than this 7. So obviously we have to take the borrow number. Means 13 we will write. We will cut this 3 and we will put 13. One number less than this 4, which is 3. But still you can check. From this 3 we can't subtract this 5. So again we have to take the borrow number. Means we will take 3 is given. So cut this 3 and we will put directly 13. Right? Now again we have to cut this previous digit 2 and we are putting one number less, which is 1. Now we can do this subtraction. Now we can find this answer. 13 minus 7, 6. 13 minus 5, 8. And 1 minus 1, 0. So answer we are having now. There is no any value of this 0 if it is given in previous. So first we will mention directly 86 in gram and 550 in gram. 86 kilogram and 550 in gram. Now last number. Next question is subtract 18 kg and 184 gram peas from 56 kg and 247 gram peas. See, as we have done this kind of sum in the addition, so in this manner we have to do the subtraction sum. Means information is given about the, means this weight is about the peas, right? So subtract 18 kg, 184 gram peas from 56 kilogram and 247 gram peas. Means bifurcation, first we will write in kilogram and gram like this, and then we will mention this big number first. 56 kilogram and 247 gram peas, weight of peas, minus 18 kilogram and 184 gram peas. Now we will do the subtraction. 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 8 is not possible, so we will put borrow number which is 14. We will cut this 4 and we will put this 14. Again cut this 2 and put the one number less, which is 1. So 14 minus 8, 6, and 1 minus 1, 0. Now 8 we can't cut from this 6, so we have to put the 16 and again cut this previous digit, put 4. So 16 minus 8, 8, and 4 minus 1, 3. 38 kilogram and 63 gram peas. This is our answer. (38 kilogram and 63 gram peas. This is your answer. Second sum of this same I am taking. See, this sum is of your question number 13, but I am writing directly because this all the sum are of subtraction. So next sum is, this question number 13 is subtraction, which is simple subtraction sum, which I have taken 1 and 2 number, and this is your question number 14, which I have written, but directly I am writing the subtraction sum. Second number means next sum, subtract 105 kilogram and 158 gram green gram from 217 kilogram and 395 gram green gram. See, subtract 105 kilogram and 158 gram green gram. Weight of green gram is given, and 217 kilogram and 395 gram green gram. So bifurcation we will write first kilogram and gram. This second number is big than this first, So 200, write first 217 kilogram and 395 gram green gram. This like say we have to mention. Minus 105 kilogram and 158 gram green gram. Now 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we will put borrow number which is 15. Cut this 9 and put one number less than this 9 which is 8. So 15 minus 8, 7 will remain. Now 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1 is possible, means we can cut this 1 from 3. So we will write 2, 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. And 2 minus 1, 1. So answer we are having 112 kilogram and 237 gram green gram. The weight of green gram we can write here as answer that 112 kilogram and 237 gram green gram as a answer. This is our answer. So I hope that all you have understood this, all the kind of subtraction sum of weight. Thank you. Have a nice day.